Production of the new 2024 Jeep Gladiator is underway at the Toledo, Ohio Assembly Complex, the home it shares with the iconic Jeep Wrangler. Revealed during the 2023 North American International Auto Show in Detroit last September, the world's most off-road capable midsize truck offers several new features for the 2024 model year, including a new 7-slot grille, larger 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen, 12-way power-adjustable front seats, and standard side curtain airbags. Together, these new features add greater capability, more refinement, new technology, and more standard safety features. Ranked number 1 for new vehicle quality among mid-size trucks in the J.D. Power 2023 U.S. Initial Quality Study, Jeep Gladiator continues to offer an unmatched combination of unsurpassed towing and best-in-class 4x4 payload, legendary Jeep 4x4 capability, open-air freedom, and clever functionality and versatility. With more than 3 million square feet of floor space, the Toledo Assembly Complex is comprised of the North Plant that builds the Wrangler and the South Plant, Supplier Park, that has been home to the Jeep Gladiator since 2019. The company invested $1 billion to retool and modernize the South Plant to build the all-new Jeep pickup truck. The Jeep Gladiator began shipping to dealers on April 12, 2019. Since then, more than 345,000 Jeep Gladiator midsize trucks have been built at the plant.